Hello, in the next episode. In today's video I'm going to repair PlayStation 4 Pro, which came in for the HDMI port repair. Alright, so let's have a look at it. Alright, so this is this motherboard. I've already tested it. When I've plugged this to the telly, the picture randomly flickers. So it can be the HDMI port issue or even the HDMI IC issue. As we can see, someone has tried to fix it before. We can see lots of flux on the motherboard, and this HDMI port on the other side looks like someone hasn't got the tools good enough to to melt the solder, because this motherboard spread heat very quickly, so you need to have really good tools to remove all the solder the HDMI port. Alright, so let's go under the microscope and inspect area around the HDMI port. Alright, so this is our HDMI port. And from this point of view I can see straight away that some of the parts are missing, especially the ground parts. Alright, so this pin looks like it's connected to the part, but the part is probably not connected to the rest of the trays. This one is not connected. This is the same situation like this. Yeah, as you can see, this is the reason why the picture on the telly was flickering. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove the HDMI port and have a look at the parts and traces, and we will probably need to rebuild some of them. So let's apply some flux here. Let's mix up the solder with the solder on the legs. The holes, they don't look good. It should be alright. Let's have a look at the parts, and let's go under the microscope first. So this doesn't look good at all. So we need to rebuild the most of the traces. But as you can see, there's no problem at all with the HDMI chip. Let's test this console a bit. Alright, so as you could see, I've done the job properly. We could see the picture on the screen. There's no flickering, nothing whatsoever, so we can send it back to my customer. So as you could see, not always the HDMI port repair is so easy. Sometimes you need to rebuild the parts, traces, but not always. Yeah. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.